Live chatting? It's never been easier. Here's the LiveChat app. You can see 3 main sections: all chats, your current conversation, and visitors' details. Currently, Agent Smith is waiting for a message from the website visitor, Rick. Smith can see what is the visitor writing before the message is sent, so he has time to prepare a response. Rick is looking for jogging shoes for Morty, and he needs it immediately. Agent Smith takes a look at Rick's location, and thanks to that, he can send him the address of the nearest shoe shop store. Knowing that Agent Smith types a shortcut and sends the right response within seconds. He also tags a chat to categorize it. Nice! The customer is happy with the swift response and leaves a good rating with a rather odd comment. Good job, Agent Smith.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch another video because nothing is more important than growing your store. Don't forget to subscribe so that you're the first to receive notifications before your competition. Growing your site and increasing conversions takes time. You can never replace your time. Get it right the first time. For more WooCommerce growth, don't leave without clicking subscribe to WooCamp.